Hi, I'm Melissa Kelsey, also known as MK, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform most any space into your own fully functioning art studio, and a few of the essentials you'll need to do so. Of course, you need some space. You do want to make sure you have a nice, flat, even surface to work on and to set your supplies. Next, you need some basic cleaning items. You'll need something to keep your brushes and your surface clean and your hands in case you get a little messy. You can either use paper towels or, my favorite, some old rags or t-shirts. You'll need something to clean your brushes with as well. 2 hard plastic cups work just fine. If you want to get fancy, you can purchase this. It's called a brush cleaner, and it holds water and normally has a side designated for specifically cleaning your brushes a little more with raised edges where you scrape the bristles across and remove the paint. You want to have something to mix your paints on. So here's some options for you. As you can see, my favorite is a hard plastic palette. You can purchase this in any arts and crafts or supply store. And the good part about it is, especially with acrylic paint, you can peel and remove the paint and you're good. You can also purchase palette paper, which is basically a pad of smooth, shiny paper that you can mix your paints on. The wonderful thing about palette paper, it's disposable. However, an even easier idea is just to get a paper plate. Again, the best thing about paper plates and palette paper, you can throw them away. While the plastic palette, you can use over and over again. When it comes to making art, you have a variety of surfaces to choose from to make your creation or masterpiece. Here is one of the most commonly used surfaces, canvas. Stretch canvas is the canvas linen pulled over a wooden frame and stapled tight. And you can get it in a variety of sizes and also in value packs where you can get 7, 10 or more in one pack. And it's not terribly expensive. Canvas can also be stretched over a hard board, which is called canvas panel, and gives you a more size efficient version of the stretch canvas. There's also canvas pad, which is something I just recently discovered. And it's sheets of canvas. Because it's loose, you'd have to tape it or apply it to a hard surface like a cardboard so that you can paint without messing up your work. So again, 3 options, all relatively inexpensive, and the choice is yours. Just as you have a variety of surfaces you can create on, you have a variety of medium to use as well. My favorite medium is acrylic paint, which you see here, and shown in what I would consider the most essential colors that every artist should have: white, yellow, blue, red, and black. And you can create nearly every single color in the spectrum with those. Why not buy individual tubes of green or purple or brown? Well, of course you can. But part of the fun in creating art is creating your own color, and it's more cost effective as well. So instead of buying a color of everything that you need under the sun, you can get the basics, mix your colors, and if you still can't mix the color that you want, then buy that individual tube. There's so many different variations of brushes. Out of all of these brushes, these are the ones I work with the most. You have a basic flat brush, angled, round, and a filbert. One other item that you don't have to have but is helpful depending on your style and technique or your needs is an easel. This is a basic aluminum tabletop easel, and it can hold a canvas as large as 16 by 20. As you see, it doesn't require a lot of space and it doesn't require a lot of materials. You do have options, but once you find the options that work for you, you're all set. I hope you enjoyed this video, but more importantly, I hope I took some of the edge off in regards to what you need to set up your own art space and some of the essentials that you'll need. You can always message me if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe